Hello guys, in today's video we are playing Monkey Climbers VR, and yeah, and I'm just gonna play around since I'm the only person online, and because it only just got an app lab, and that's when the real time I can really get it. And yeah, I'm gonna play minigame. Yeah. It's always laggy when Oh yeah, that's cool. 5. Let's go here. Is this where you buy stuff? I don't know where you buy stuff. Okay. Zero gravity shop. Oh wait, I don't know why that vent is there. I think that's one of the moderators' vents. I don't know. Welcome to shop. Hello, monkey. 500. I'm super high. Papa. Banana. Don't ask for mods. Paid cosmetics. Monkey sign. Beanie Boo. Monkey bow. Monk plush. J-Man head. Marshmallow stick. Flower mouth. Monk saver. I don't know what that is. Release. Torch. I think it's just a sign, I don't know. Yeah, I'm super laggy. God. Collectibles. Crystal backpack. Yeah. Still one player. No. Limited. Wait. Indeed. Day 1. I have day 1. Yippee. My arms stretch out. Yes. Yippee. Wait a minute. No, not again. Body. Oh yeah. God, I'm super laggy. I'm getting out of here. I found out I already looked at that. What is this? Oh, that's good. I don't know if you can get the monkey plush. Yeah, I don't know. I think the monkey plush is just like enable. I already have. I'm keeping the day 1 on. I think the people that didn't get it in App Lab would have the day 1 too. And I don't know if anybody's gonna play it today. That are gonna unstable. There we go. Ooh. Oh, this is cool. It's like canyons. Yeah, I'm not checking this out. This is scary. I love canyons and Gorilla Tag, but like it's kind of scary once there's no players, cause like it's like a big map. I never really liked it. Horror. Yep. Yeah. Up, slide down. I don't know what that is. You know, I'm gonna test. Up, slide down. In room. I'm still the only player. Yo, up, slide down. Oh, I'm stuck. This is like low gravity, but like it's upside down. Yeah, I know how to get upside down in every game. That like I know how to get upside down in every game. That like has like if you look down, your body looks down with you. I know how to do that. It's more easy to move around then. But like if you're in like Gorilla Tag, if you're in a game like Gorilla Tag, if you're in a game like Big Scary, it would be easy, but like it would be easy to move, but like a bit hard. But in Gorilla Tag, you cannot move. Like it's super hard, and yeah. Welcome to Monkey Climbers. It's called Monkey Space Climbers Space VR. It's super cool. Zero gravity. I always liked zero gravity. Not this small though. Cause like I used to play in a Roblox game and I used to always need the reset. And like I would be like a big character. So like you wouldn't be really able to like you could change your size in that game and like you wouldn't really be able to get out. So you would just need to kill yourself and it would make a sound. But they changed it. Oh, parkour. I'm gonna play this before my fear dies. And oh, this is my first time playing it. I think this is the first day you can get it on app, I think. I'm gonna keep doing this until my viewer dies. I'm gonna do horror once I once I'm gonna play horror soon. Once like people start seeing this game and start playing it, because like I'm not really a big fan of scary stuff by myself. I'm just a person that's scared by themselves in the dark. Well, some people are scared of being by themselves in the dark. I went to the bathroom, and like it was dark, and like someone closed the door. And I was like screaming, and I was like so sad, like I started crying, but then I opened it, cause like I was in like a foul bit, like where the toilet is, like, so like it's a bit foul. So like I started like screaming and all that, and then like I ran to the door and opened it, and yeah, that's what happened. Bye bye guys, my viewers. Person, get this game, is super cool. Oh, I want you to get this game, it's super cool. It's super cool. Get it. Get this game. Like, I'm not joking. This is actually like it's actually like a good game. Like, it's like I love Scary Bamboom so much, so like I might actually play this more than Scary Bamboom, cause like this is so cool. Like yeah, I really like this game. I really want this game to get popular because I really like it, and I want to play horror.